See this is completely solar. It's the cover I use to cover up the fish tank. But I'll start off with the fish tank. It's a big Rubbermaid horse trough. It actually has about 48 goldfish in it, 1 bluegill, 2 air pumps that are both DC. This only runs off solar panels. So the fish fertilize the plants. That water is pulled through that pipe down there, through here, to this 55-gallon barrel where I have 2 DC pumps. They're actually from a CPU computers. They're about 10 bucks a piece off Amazon. They're pretty decent as long as you don't let the water level get off. Once they run out of water, they're ruined. So those pumps actually pump water through these hoses up to the PVC tubes. Notice here, they're pumping right now. Okay. I've got basil growing here. Pretty large roots. You can actually see the roots from the tomatoes coming across. They're so big. Big old basil. If you look at it the size of my hand, it's just, they're doing really healthy. This is a cucumber plant. Now that's a big plant. You can actually see some cucumbers starting. There's a tomato, a couple tomatoes there. So the water runs from this end and is almost level, but it's just slightly going in this down direction, and it's falling down into this. It's a concrete mixing tub, which I have styrofoam as rafts and growing lettuce and basil and cilantro. Some dill, but I don't know what's going on with that dill. And then it drops down. It fills up this tub and it goes down that tube back into the tank, repeating all over again. So I've got I want to know it's automated as possible. It's an automatic fish feeder. Feeds twice a day. This is actually probably my favorite install right here. It's a automatic float valve. When this valve drops down, water will start filling up from these barrels right here. So I've got 200 and something gallons of reserve in these rain barrels. And they also are used for retaining heat. I don't ever have to worry daily about water levels anymore. A couple more plants over there. Cucumber. See how this turns out. Right there I have a timer that controls the DC pumps, the DC water pumps. They run for 1 hour and cut off for half an hour all day long. So these they'll actually drain out and then fill back up all day long.